Hi everyone, this is Taylor Green from Audiology Associates. Patients come through. Again, as usual, we get a lot of people coming through feeling blocked up. What you can see here, we've got quite dry, big dry plug of wax. And we're using the standard size Zollner tube here, and you can just sort of see how dry it is. We're not getting any soft pieces of wax sort of suctioning away easily. So what I'm trying to do here is detach the wax from the ear canal wall, but by almost sort of wiggling it and moving it slightly to the right, which will detach the wax from the left-hand side, in a hope that we can actually bend that wax around the entrance of the ear canal. Because as you can see, we've got, again, quite dense cilia in the ear. This can obstruct our view, which does make the wax removals a lot more difficult because, well, as I just said, it obstructs the view, and we have to try and get past those hairs to get a decent view. But you can just see there now we've started to detach this wax from the bottom of the ear canal. So we're moving a bit higher to try and detach it from the left-hand side. There we go. So far so good. So we're going to try and give this a little wiggle here now, just to see if this whole plug will come away nicely for us. It seems to be holding on. So we're trying a little bit deeper. There we go. Slight lift from the bottom, again, just to try and detach it a little bit further into the canal, because there is a little gap above the wax, so we do have a bit of movement space there. But we've introduced, get my words out, sorry. We've introduced some olive oil. This will just give us a slightly better suction grip on the wax that's there. The other job this will do, as you probably know already from our previous videos, the oil will, as we're lifting and moving this wax, the oil around the edge of the ear canal will actually go underneath the wax, and it can actually help it slide out a lot easier. So we have got a bit of movement here now, so we've got some good progress. Here we go, it's just stuck near the entrance. So we sometimes do this very slight forwards and backwards motions when we're gripping onto the wax. As we get a suction grip on the wax, it does very slowly increase the suction power. So as that happens, very, very slow sort of movements back and forth, again, can actually help to detach some of this wax that's deeper into the ear. But we can't do it too much, again, because we don't know how much wax is behind what we're trying to suction away. Here we go, starting to come out. As always, it's putting up a little bit of a fight. Here we go, nice big plug. And there's another section behind. So again, aiming for the bottom of the wax. Oh, you can see how much this wax is actually moving. Trying to get a suction grip on this piece of wax, it's actually moving back and forth. So again, we don't want to risk pushing this wax in further. Here we go. So we've managed to find an area on the wax where we've got a decent suction grip. And it's just broken away. So we're going to get behind that. Here we go, bit of movement, nice and gentle. Oh, come on. They're all putting up a fight for me. Right. It's always so frustrating when you get these big pieces of wax near the entrance of the ear and it just doesn't want to go any further. Yeah, we don't seem to be achieving a strong enough suction grip on this wax, so it doesn't seem to be going anywhere at all, this one. So we're gonna persevere. We're gonna keep going. Here we go. Right, Jobs and horns coming in. To save the day. Here we go. So again, we're just trying to... There we go. You can see that gap, and you can actually see how long this piece is. So it's no wonder this couldn't get around just with suction only. So very, very slowly. Oh, you can just see that back piece as we're pulling this out. So we're going to let go of that bit. Try and get around this back bit that's been lifted. And roll it forward. There we go. Just get behind that again, and there we go. Couldn't actually grab that with the drops and horns, so we've gone back with the suction to grab hold. Nice big piece there. I didn't actually show it to the camera, sorry guys. Right. There's a little bit of wax you've just seen on the side there. I've actually left that where it is. So we've got pretty much the same story on this side. Very flat, dry piece of wax, but luckily again we've got a gap above the wax, so we've got a little bit of moving space, a bit of wiggle space in there. So again, we're aiming at the bottom of the wax, trying to lift and peel this away from the ear canal. Same story as the other side. Again, this time we're sort of trying to suction and move away slightly to the left to peel away this right hand side. There we go. There we go. So you can see all this new fresh skin that's underneath this wax. So we are starting to detach this this wax and skin away from the ear canal. But I think we're going to have a similar difficulty with this side. Yep, seems to be holding on. Bit of olive oil goes in. Just suctioning away some of the excess that's coming out of the ear. There we go. We've got a slightly better suction grip here now that we've introduced a little bit of olive oil. So I'm kind of hoping, there we go, I'm going to go in a little bit further. So I'm going to try and grab this top section just to see if we have any more movement. Oh, there's a very, very slight movement here. Here we go. So you can just sort of see that we have created that gap down the left hand side there now. So again, I'm still trying to keep hold of that suction grip and just gently wiggle, because again this wax is quite deep into the ear, so this is possibly quite uncomfortable for the patient. There we go. Again, trying to turn this wax a little. can see how easily we're actually losing this suction grip. It's so dry. Here we go. A little bit of movement here now. So we're managing to turn this wax slightly. So hopefully by turning it, we can... Here we go. Oh, it's just got stuck again. Okay, so we've moved this closer to the entrance. So I believe... Oh no, we still stick with the Zollner. I can't quite remember this one, to be honest. I think I go in with the Jobson horn on this one as well. Oh, here we go. We got a bit of movement. Look at the size on that plug. There we go. Look at the length on that. Brilliant. There we go. So again, a little bit irritated inside. You can see all the eardrum, very light, a very dim light reflex there. And there we go. This is what we removed. I didn't actually have the ruler there, guys. Sorry. Yeah, brilliant. That's another video from myself. Thank you very much for watching this earwax removal video. Take care of yourselves, take care of one another, and also look after your ears. And I'll see you again soon. Thanks, guys.